This is an evaluation question. Of the 5 experiments mentioned in the answer choices, we need to select one experiment that would yield the most useful results in evaluation of the scientist's hypothesis. The hypothesis here is that the blood pressure was affected by the diet by stimulating the production of serotonin. Choice A is a trap. Serotonin suppressing drugs will definitely affect the blood pressure because it has been established that serotonin causes sudden variance in blood pressure. The question is whether the diet triggered serotonin. Results of experiment mentioned in choice A will lead to evaluation of what has been already established. So this cannot be the correct answer choice. We need an answer choice that evaluates whether the diet led to production of serotonin. Answer choice B talks about monkeys that already have heightened serotonin levels being given a similar diet. Since these monkeys already have heightened serotonin levels, whether the diet would further affect the serotonin levels is questionable. It's like testing a medicine on a patient after the patient has already been treated. You cannot trust the result whether such a diet leads to high serotonin levels when the serotonin levels are already high. Answer choice C has a similar problem as answer choice A. It tries to evaluate whether serotonin will lead to variance in blood pressure. This is something that has been already established. Remember, critical reasoning is about questioning the inferences. It is never about questioning the facts mentioned. Answer choice D has a similar problem as answer choice B. Giving such a drug would not lead to reliable results. Besides, this answer choice once again examines the relation between serotonin levels and blood pressure. This is something once again already established here. We are to examine whether the diet led to the production of serotonin. It's about the relationship between production of serotonin and the diet here. Let's confirm answer choice E now. See, in this experiment, certain serotonin suppressing drugs have been given and the monkeys have been put on a similar diet, and then range of blood pressures has been measured. Now imagine if still the range of blood pressures remains wide. This would mean that serotonin is not the reason because such drugs are suppressing serotonin levels. Okay, and if the range of blood pressures is no longer wide, this would mean that serotonin was triggered because of the diet here. Because in the second case, because of such drugs, serotonin would no longer increase, and if the range in blood pressure did not remain equally wide, it would mean that in the original experiment, increased serotonin levels was the reason, and therefore yes, the diet increased serotonin levels and that led to a wider range of blood pressures. In either case, through this fifth experiment here, the hypothesis would be evaluated. Remember, an evaluation statement can help the reasoning and it can also hurt the reasoning. E is the correct answer choice.